How's it going, everyone? It is Reverse Trader King, and today I'm going to talk about AMC, one of the most hyped up stocks for a lot of retail traders. But I just want to go over you can make lots of money on this stock, even though it's been downtrending for quite some time. And I'm going to show you exactly where I made the money on this stock, and you can too. So before I get into this video, let me keep in, just in case if you weren't interested, I have a premium Discord for only $6, and I show my exact entries and exits for my swing trade alerts, and these alerts have over 95% win ratio, as I only lost one trade in the past 8 months, and I'm going to show you exactly why it is so accurate because with this system. Brief scenario for all the subscribers that are watching, you are going to get my tickers that I am looking at and how far and how close we are looking to get in. But obviously, if you want to know my exact entry exit plan, you are going to have to join the Discord, but it's only $6. So do keep that in mind. So let's get right into the video here. We have 3 bands. These are going to be like your ATR bands. It's where price usually goes to before we get a correction. And I customize these like if price goes to this level, you get a lot of buyers and price will revert to the mean. That is a guarantee. And when I say reversion to the mean, we're going to look at this middle yellow band. And what this is going to tell us is this is where price always goes to a T. I promise you will go to this. Every stock does this. If you look at any chart, it's going to do it. Uptrends, downtrends. Downtrends are going to hit their heads on it. Uptrends are going to bounce from it and then resume their uptrend. But the reason why I like beaten down stocks is because a lot of these downtrends are going to stop and they're going to temporarily start going up, right? And so I feel better averaging down with my accumulation rules using this system to make massive money compared to an uptrend that when an uptrend reverses, it drops dramatically, right? But with this strategy, we know when the trend should weaken or increase for the upside, and I'm going to show you how. So the bottom band is a buy zone, and as you can see, when price gets as close as possible, the bottom band, we look for buys. The middle band is where price will revert to, and we look for time distance. Let me explain this as much as possible for all my subscribers or new people, because I want to reiterate, it doesn't matter how many times you hear this, this is crucial knowledge because it will make you very confident. If you're like, wow, I'm down like 2%, we have a nice accumulation rules. You'll understand why this is important. AMC hit the band at 102.2024 at this candle right in here where my cursor is. The next touch is 122. That was about 3 weeks of time frame, and anything that is 2 to 3 weeks of not hitting it is very long. If it's if it's like a 1 month time frame, that's when we go really heavy on our size and we look to make massive gains. As you can see, we want to wait till about 2 weeks of time frame of not hitting the middle band. So we have our 2 weeks of time frame. How conveniently right here at the lower band, and look at this. You accumulate your shares on this candle at the lower band, the next candle at this lower band, and then you get a nice big move up, and you would sell most of your shares right in here at this middle band and call it a nice day. About a 10 to 20% nice gain. Let's go back some more and see we have some other signals here. Right in here was a beautiful signal. I didn't take this trade because not enough time distance, but as you can see, it recorrected to the middle band. But look at this beautiful trade right in here. I would not take this trade, even though you would have been profitable. I would not have taken it because, one, we just hit the lower band with only 3 days of time distance. I look for at least 2 weeks. So we hit it just recently with a reverse split of 1 for 10, and those usually go down for quite some time after a week. So we go up a little, and then bam, we go straight down here. These are the candles I'd be looking at. And I didn't mention too, if you look right under my chart, I have a KDJ. I only had the K showing. This K line right in here, this squiggly line where my cursor is, you want to look for as low as possible the K. The lower the K, when I say a low K, anything under 10 is pretty low, but if you get under 5, that is really, really low. So we're looking at here at 10.27. I would not have taken that because that is quite a big, low, or not as low as K as I want, right in here, the 8, the 6, and the 5, these 3 candles here, I would accumulate for a nice run up right in here. And as you can see, we hit the middle band and then some to make some nice gains. The only way to make as much gains as possible is to scale out your shares. So, you scale out, 1/4, another half. That's the best way, or use a trailing stop loss because you could get a nice little uptrend like right in here, which is a very nice gain from there. So those are 2 prime examples of how I traded AMC and made thousands of dollars, right? And as you can see, it works for the sell side. It can get to the upper band here, sells off, gets close, sells off, gets right up here in the upper band and sells off. We're not surprised about that because we have the data in front of us. We see the back testing. A lot of these stocks won't go above these ATR levels with time distance, with a high K on the KDJ. Those are screaming sell sides. I would never buy in this area. I just would never buy it. Now that I see this strategy, I see the blueprint, and I see where the algos have to take it. Guess where price goes, guys? It goes right back to this middle band. The algos are painting a picture for it. They are precise, they know exactly what they're doing, and they would never make a mistake because this is all algos, right? These are bots that are printing these orders in and making it where they want it to go, and by these big institutions. So right in here, let's look at the current data because we are setting up for a nice, very nice buy signal here very soon. Look what we have. We have time distance here at 3/27/2024. We last touched the band. Current data is 410. If we get to 427, that is extremely rare. I want to look for about 2 to 3 weeks, right? So from 327, let's do some math here. So we have 327, about 2 to 3 weeks. We have April 3rd and maybe April 10th. We're sitting about 2 weeks right now, guys. I want to look for, now we got time distance. Let's look for a touch of this lower band. Let's see if we can get as close as possible to this lower band with a low K on the KDJ. And as of now, the K is looking decent. We're at 4.33 on the K, so it is looking more decent. So that is very nice. So that's what we want to see. To me, this is setting up for a nice play very soon. Obviously, I'm not in, and you will know what I get in if you join my premium Discord. But these are the criteria that I've been harping about, that if you want to make your 10 to 20, if they did with news, you can make way more. Those are my big money plays. If I have news, you can make well over, your 50 to 100% region. Those are your news type of plays. But just based on chart corrections and how to get precise entries, this is how you do it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this analysis of how I did AMC, just like how I did it the 2 other times I trade you on the chart, of how I made thousands of dollars making those consistent 10 to 20% returns. If you want to make consistent money, be profitable month after month, this is the Discord for you. I do swing trade alerts that are relaxing, they're low risk. You're buying the shares when nobody else wants them, and you're selling the shares to the chasers that think it's going to the moon. We want to buy early and never have FOMO or chase. That is the secret to making to being profitable in the market. You want to know when the algos are going to kick in and revert it to the mean. We don't care where the price is. As long as the system alerts it in here, I'm buying it. We obviously know this stock has been downtrending forever, but it doesn't mean you can't make money off of these, these spikes here and there, because that's what we're going to get. And as, price moves in waves. It's not just going to go straight down forever. You're going to have those reversions to the mean, and that's what my strategy capitalizes. And sometimes we make massive returns, once there's a news article or anything, and it kicks in to make really good things. The reason why you don't want to trade support and resistance is because, one, look at this. Heavy support right here. The algos know it, and retails get sucked in right in here. And bam, makes a whole new low. We are looking for a system that nobody else sees. This is a unique system that I developed, and I'm finally releasing it because it has worked for me for 6 years and been consistently profitable in the market. And when your account compounds, making those 10 to 20% gains, those add up significantly. So if you want to join the premium Discord, go down below into the YouTube comments and in my description, there will be a link for you to click. It will say join the premium Discord for my trade alerts, and these are going to be the best trades as I spent a lot of time. I definitely believe in not over trading, finding those 1 to 2 stocks that meet the best criteria. So this is going to be it. If you click that link, you'll go into this free chat landing page, and basically where this takes you is you're not a subscriber. It's just to get into the subscription mode. What you want to do is find this clear thing that says subscriptions. It's going to be labeled here with a drop box of all these channels. Click on any of these channels, and when you do, it'll take you into this premium chat where people who subscribed, they did their due diligence, they want to be profitable, and they want to have the tools of a successful strategy for over 95%. When you click that, it will ask you to subscribe, and you will pay only $6 if you do it on your computer. It is slightly more expensive on your phone because it charges an iOS fee, because it's through Apple and Discord is in on it, so they charge a little fee. So, but if you do it on your computer, it'll be about $6, very affordable compared to other Discords, and I know that because I spend hundreds of dollars on Discords, and they'll say, here's a watch list, you buy this stock, you have a chance of making 100%, and I've done that, and I've lost thousands and thousands of dollars, and I got sick of knowing you're like, I'm just going to copy someone. This is more like I'm teaching you how to fish. You're more than welcome to use my alerts, but I'm going to show you exactly why I'm taking alerts, just like in this video, exactly where our profit target, where our entries is, and anybody can learn this strategy as long as you're willing to spend the time to backtest, willing to just take a little bit of time out of your day and be patient. Patience is the number one thing, and as Warren Buffett will say, we are taking money from the impatient people, and that's why this strategy works so well. So hope you join the Discord. You'll learn a lot, and I promise you'll make well over your $6. If not, you can cancel. Like if you're not profitable, but with my alerts, you will be profitable. I guarantee that. Also, guys, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. If you enjoyed this analysis of where we look for the corrections on how to find precise entries, it helps a lot if you do engage with the video, and it helps me want to keep making videos. And it will share it to other retail traders that desperately need to know what's going on in the stock market. It's not corruption. A lot of this is algos telling you where price is going. You just have to see the picture. What are they painting? Where does the price like to go to? And what ATR levels can we look to buy? And this is what it is. Right now, we're painting down with a paintbrush. The algos are going to paint up very soon with their paintbrush and finish the picture and let us see it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the premium Discord. Peace out, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and happy trading.